What's up, man? Is that your truck?
Yeah.
I think you backed into my car last night. You know that? Yeah. This line, this is pushed in, and that's broken.
Okay.
And this too. Do you remember doing that? You did?
I see something, but I don't see when I see back there, I don't see your car.
Oh, okay. Well,
That guy fixing cars, you want to tell him, you want to fix it or?
I mean, you got insurance or what?
Nah, my truck, nah.
You don't?
Nah. I can fix him.
You can fix it.
Yeah, well, him, you know what I mean? Who does good bad and... I mean, if you want it.
Oh yeah, it needs to be fixed.
Yeah. I never said I'm gonna do. Yeah, we need to take this out and... Oh yeah, him can fix it and... my bike can fix it.
Well, I'd rather just take it to the shop and get it fixed properly. You know, that's all right. All right, well, let me get your information and I'll go get an estimate and let you know how much it's going to be.
I'm gonna pay like $1,000 for this.
Yeah, I don't think it's $1,000 either, but I didn't back into it either.
Okay.
You know?
Mm-hmm.
So, if you just want to give me your insurance, we can let them handle it, but...
No va a querer el güey que se lo hagas nuevo, hijo de la verga.
No, the other thing is, I want to tell you, just don't put the car no more here because I don't want to do it again. I mean, like when
It's a public street.
When I step in my truck and looking back and I see it.
That's anything can park here. That's not the car's fault. You can park anywhere. It's a public street. You know, the car wasn't moving. It was just stopped. You know.
When I park here, I think it's not here. I mean, you coming when I still park and when I go, I just put it back and that's what I don't see it.
All right. Well, it's no problem. It's an accident, but we still need to fix it. You know.
Yeah.
Okay.
Hey, esta madre ya lo tenía.
No, nomás te está diciendo esto.
Yeah. No, that was there.
Esto y estas dos líneas. Oh, y el de este.
Vale, pongo un puto chifle.
No, está bien, lo quiere arreglar, que lo arregle. It's okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. I live in here. My name is Francisco Lopez.
All right. Let's.
And
You don't have insurance? You just don't want to let your insurance take care of it? It'd be a lot cheaper. You know?